My party stand down PFP, and we're basing it on what you see as evidence for probable cause. So kung may justification for that, that is what we will stand on.
Pero pumoto kayo ng yes po, di ba? Doon po sa committee report.
I was
Yun yung party stand?
deputized by Senior Deputy Speaker Hernandez for the Committee on Justice. Dahil actually di ako regular member.
What's the party stand po ng PFP?
The party of the president. Yan po yung party.
Ano party? So, vote for the
Support.
impeachment? For the impeachment, sir?
Malalaman po natin yan sa
Sir,
pag-plenary na.
how many po kayo, sir, sa
Morning.
PFP? Sir, ilan kayo sa PFP?
Sa PFP, we have 50 members. I think. So we are the second largest party now.
After Lakas? 51.
Napag-usapan niyo na magkakaroon ng party stand, sir?
Yes, napag-usapan namin. We had a dinner last night.
Last night, sir. Ano po napag-usapan niyo kagabi, sir?
Hindi ako privy sa magsalita about the details. Pero pinag-usapan namin lahat na nalaman dun sa mga hearings, and yun yung magiging stand natin.
Sir, unanimous yung members about the party stand?
More or less unanimous, yes.
Which is to impeach VP Sara.
Malaman po natin yan sa mga.